I'm here in Georgia, McDonough, Georgia, and right now this is what it's looking like for Hurricane Michael. It has downgraded just now to 3, and this is what it is looking like. It's kind of flooding and stuff, but I'm gonna walk y'all with me to go get some ice to see how it is. So this is what it's looking like. It's kind of flooding, so yeah. It has not went above. Has not went above. It has not went above a foot, but it might because as I am recording right now, it's getting higher. A few minutes ago, it was just as your normal rain, and now it is up here. Hurricane Michael this is like the farther since I have been alive. I think they're saying this is, look at all that water. Yes, this is going to end up flooding. Bro, look at this. Wow. Oh my god. Alright. So it's only been raining for about, look at that. Bruh. It's so soon this will be full. Cause look at that. Just, whoa. I did not know it was flooded right there. It's flooded right there. Oh, I wonder if the pool will fill up. The pool's over there. Bruh. Oh my god. Alright, so let's go fill up the ice. I'm gonna go fill up the ice and show y'all how it is. But this is like, wow. But that's it. I'll see y'all in 30 minutes and see how it is.